Tired of a cluttered contact list on your Aisensy WhatsApp and eager to declutter? Let's jump right into a quick tutorial on how to delete contacts from your Aisensy WhatsApp, making contact management a breeze. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Contacts section. You'll typically find this in the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll see a list of all your saved contacts. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific contact you want to delete. After finding the contact, look for the three dots, also known as an ellipsis, located usually at the far right of the contact information. Click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select the Delete Contact option. Be absolutely sure it's the right one. A confirmation pop-up will then appear, asking you to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to double-check. Click the Delete button to permanently remove the contact. And that's it. The contact is now deleted from your Aisensy WhatsApp. Repeat these steps for any other contacts you wish to remove. This helps you maintain data privacy, stay compliant, and keep your contact list clean and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks. Happy contact managing!